Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, oh, I have to press yes. Today we are going for swimming. Yay! What?
Yeah. Wow! So beautiful. Still like swimming. Go.
Today we girly are going for swimming. Welcome back to first episode of we being at our house doing nothing but something productive.
Yeah.
Let's go for swimming. Okay, see, this is our outside view. We are going. Look at Bestie. We never know. She might meet her crush here. So let's go. There's the swimming. There's the swimming pool. There. Okay. Just wait for that moment. This is the gym, and here is a dance room, and here something else. We'll show you later. But look at this view. Isn't it marvelous? Isn't it beautiful? So here is my tower. We'll go and bye-bye. Stay tuned.
So now it's 5 o'clock in the evening, and this is where she lives on 15th floor. So now we're gonna go and swim. I love her so much because she's such a hyper. She makes my life so easier and so happy. So yeah, let's go
Stop
change
swimming.
our. So we are to leave. So we're gonna go to her room and she's gonna change. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna wait for her.
Yeah.
So we reached her apartment.
Welcome to my apartment.
This is the kitchen. I'm just gonna show you their view. It's so beautiful from here. See the sunsets. And that's where we're going for swimming. So there's plenty of people. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, which is Tower 3? That's Tower 3. My crush lives there. How fine shit. Because he goes to the gym and he just directly goes to this tower. Oh my god, golden hour. You see me. Okay. See, it's so windy and it's so beautiful. I really like this part because it's always so windy and nice. So yeah, let's go. I feel like there's many people who swim. Reached the pool. Let's go and get changed. Oh, it's all girls, so it's fine. I can swim out. Hey, like, where are you? No,
kids.
no. It's so pretty.
This is so beautiful, you know?
Hi guys, get ready with us for swim. Bye-bye. This is our beautiful flowers which I'm going to keep here. And we're going to first tie our hair, okay? That's the first thing we're going to do. Okay. Like this. Look at this. We're going to do like this. Now finally, we're done with that. Now we're going to go with the cap, okay? You cannot see my face, but still then, I hope it is visible. I guess this is not the right angle, my dear. Can you switch the angle that side? This is the go. And this is Zawa. I forgot to bring my towel. Sorry, but this is very big Zawa, which is sold from the food house. Okay? And this is our cap. Okay? Finally, our cap. Without this cap, we're not allowed
to enter the pool.
Right, basically. shoe. First thing we're gonna do is open up the cap like this, okay? And from back, from front to back. Ew, I look like an egg. Oh my god. This is how we do. Wow, look. And we're gonna tap this in, alright? Like this. Now we're gonna jump into the pool like this, okay? So we're ready for that, right? Let's go. Back view, side view, and front view. Come my dear. Wait, my dear.
Oh my god, we look so chopped.
Oh my god, my leg is tearing.
I just drank like a whole lot of the water, like crazy.
Now we can be an Olympic swimmer.
Oh, Yura, Kiki is here. I don't know what she's doing. Maybe she wants to play with this Japanese young kid over there. Guys, swimming is good for health. Especially if you don't want to go for gym. Do swimming and you lost some calories. So bye, we're going for swimming. Isha. Ah, she's our girl. Well, our beautiful girl. Thank you. Oh my god. Running away. Are you dishing the leg or konnichiwa? Konnichiwa. Oh, what is konnichiwa? Hello. Can you come in? Are you? Is he? What tribe is he? Where is he from? He's from? Gone. Are you from? Who's gonna do black flip? Back flip. Let's go. Let's go. It's 7 o'clock and we just finished swimming. How was it today?
It was marvelous. So good.
Yeah,
So
it was
energetic.
such
so
a productive
refreshing.
day. And it's already night, as you can see.
We're going home. Bye bye.
Yeah,
We took our stuff.
there's some people still like swimming, but you know, we gotta go.
Now we're heading home and we enjoyed a lot. We learned that swimming is very helpful. And we had the most productive day, I tell you.
Oh my god, my
It was so fun. We had, we get the chance to talk to new people, play with new kids, right?
Yeah.
And it's so nice to associate with others. So, yeah, most of all, we had fun. That's the main thing. So, guys, stay tuned for our another video, which will be upcoming soon. So I hope you enjoy our vlog. If you enjoy our vlog, then hit the subscribe button and like. Thank you. Mwah.